In today's video, I'll share 8 affordable ways to update a dated home without remodeling. Each idea is budget-friendly, practical, and proven to make your home feel brighter, fresher, and more modern. So let's dive right in and transform your home, one update at a time. 1. Refresh your walls with paint or wallpaper. Paint is one of the most powerful tools in home design. If your walls still carry the yellow, beige, or even bold reds and greens of the early 2000s, they're sending your home straight back in time. A fresh coat of paint in the right shade can instantly bring your space into 2026. The trend today is all about soft neutrals with character. Warm whites, light grays, earthy beiges, and muted pastels. These tones make spaces feel open, airy, and timeless. But if you want to go bold, consider a dark accent wall in deep navy or forest green. Paired with lighter surroundings, it adds drama without overwhelming the space. 2. Upgrade your lighting for instant elegance. Outdated light fixtures. Think shiny brass chandeliers or plain dome ceiling lights. Instantly date a home. Updating them can feel like a remodel, even though it's just a swap. Modern lighting comes in a huge range of styles. Sleek black pendants for kitchens, sculptural chandeliers for dining rooms, or soft fabric drum shades for living rooms. And with so many budget-friendly options online, you don't need to spend thousands. Layering is another trick designers swear by. Don't just rely on overhead lights. Mix in table lamps, floor lamps, or even LED strips under cabinets and shelves. This creates mood lighting that feels cozy and intentional. And don't forget the bulbs. Switching from harsh white fluorescents to warm LED bulbs makes your home instantly more inviting. Plus, it saves energy and money in the long run. 3. Update hardware and fixtures. Small details often have the biggest design impact, and nowhere is this truer than with hardware. Cabinet knobs, drawer pulls, door handles, and faucets are like the jewelry of your home. If they're outdated, the whole room feels outdated. Swap old brass or shiny chrome handles for matte black, brushed nickel, or even trendy champagne gold. In bathrooms and kitchens, changing faucets to a sleeker style can make the entire space feel refreshed. And the best part? Four, revive floors with rugs and clever coverings. Flooring is often one of the most expensive parts of a remodel, but you don't always need to replace it to get a new look. Rugs are an affordable magic trick. They hide flaws, add warmth, and completely change the style of a room. A large area rug under your sofa set grounds the living room and adds texture. In bedrooms, smaller layered rugs beside the bed make the space feel cozy and intentional. Hallway runners can transform narrow corridors into stylish walkways. If you want a more permanent but budget-friendly solution, peel and stick vinyl planks are an amazing option. They're waterproof, durable, and can be laid over most existing floors. Whether you want a wood look or pattern tile, this option lets you modernize without hiring contractors. 5. Modernize window treatments. Heavy, outdated curtains can suffocate a room. Instead, modern homes are all about light, airy window treatments. Linen drapes, sheer white curtains, or bamboo blinds can instantly make a space look fresher. A designer trick is to hang curtains higher, just below the ceiling, so your windows look taller and the room feels more spacious. And if privacy is a concern, layering sheer curtains with roller shades gives you both light control and a soft, elegant look. Even something as simple as swapping dated curtain rods for sleek black or brass hardware can elevate the entire space. It's affordable, but the impact is huge. 6. Bring in statement furniture or accent pieces. Furniture doesn't need to be replaced all at once. Often, adding just one or two new statement pieces can modernize the entire room. Think of a bold accent chair in velvet, a sleek coffee table with metal legs, or a stylish new headboard for your bed. If new furniture isn't in the budget, upcycle what you have. Sand and repaint an old dresser in a modern matte black or soft gray. Replace sofa cushions with new covers for a fresh color palette. Add legs to low furniture pieces for a lifted, more contemporary look. These small upgrades turn dated and tired into modern and curated without emptying your wallet. 7. Style with accessories and art. Accessories are the final layer that brings personality and style to a home. A dated space often looks bare or mismatched because it's missing this finishing touch. Invest in affordable artwork or create your own gallery wall with framed prints. Add large mirrors to reflect light and make rooms feel bigger. Introduce stylish vases, woven baskets, or candles for warmth and personality. Even new throw pillows and blankets can refresh your sofa or bed instantly. 8. Add greenery and natural elements. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to modernize your home is by bringing nature indoors. Plants add color, texture, and life, instantly making spaces feel fresher. If you're not great at plant care, no worries. There are amazing faux plants that look incredibly real. A tall fiddle leaf fig in the corner, small succulents on shelves, or even hanging plants in the kitchen add that natural charm. Pair greenery with natural textures like woven baskets, wood accents, or stone decor. This combination is timeless and always makes a home feel grounded, welcoming, and up to date. Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to give their home a refresh without remodeling.